Okay, well, this video is about how to do blinking platforms. So you see that they pop in and pop out. Jump on them, go through, land, fall. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Alright, so you have two platforms here. One's called Object Platform Gone, and then Object Platform There. So Object Platform There, you do add events, create, then you drag over a variable from the control tab, and you just say image underscore speed, value 0.1. This is going to slow down the animation, because in your animation you have two that blink quite fast, and you can slow that animation down by using the variable I just talked about. Set variable image 0.1, that slows down the animation. Then you want to make sure you set your origins to centered, X 50, Y is 15, crosshairs in the middle. Then drag over a timer, set it for 30 milliseconds, alarm 0 kicks in, and then it's going to switch the object platform there to object platform gone. Say yes. Got that change instance from the main 1 tab. Make sure you set it to solid. Object platform gone. Do a create event. Then timer. After 60 milliseconds, it's going to jump to the alarm 0. And you're going to make go to main 1 tab and drag over a change instance, and then it's going to switch back to object platform there. Say yes. Make sure for the object platform gone, it's not solid and it's not visible. Alright, and then for the object platform right, for the player right, when he collides with object platform there, you want to bring over a move free, set the direction to 0, speed 0, so that way you'll land on it and there's no collision. He's not going to get stuck in the platform. That's pretty much stating right there. And then when he collides with the object platform gone, you want to make sure you set it to a gravity. So in your move tab, drag over a gravity, set gravity, and the direction is going to be 270, gravity is going to be 5. So you want to make sure he goes down pretty fast if the platform is not there. That way he doesn't get stuck when the platform comes back. Because I did notice that when like if I change this gravity to maybe like I don't know, 2 maybe, he may get stuck in between platforms. Oh, he's not getting stuck. You just have to play around with it, but I noticed when I was messing with this before, if you don't set the gravity just right, it really depends on when you jump, but you could get stuck in between the platforms when not there and there. So you want to make sure you give it enough gravity so that way he just drops down quick. So I would make it 5. That way, or even 6 or 7 or whatever, so that way he goes down pretty quick. That way there's no chance of him getting stuck in between platforms. And what you know what I mean by that, by it not being there and being there, he could get stuck. So you want to make sure you have enough gravity so he falls quick, so that doesn't happen. Alright, and everything else I already talked about it in my previous video. object block, I made it. I think I changed this because I had a code in here that said something about move free with being at 0, and it's pretty much the same drop in. So with the object block, I used move free, direction 0, speed 0. My other video, I think I had one with the object block. I think I had a code set up in there that said pretty much the same thing as this. What this drop down is, where it's 0, 0 in the movement, so that way it doesn't get stuck. So I would just use the move free drop in, because that works just as good as the code I talked about before with move free at 0. And I guess I'll give you that information on the YouTube description where I was talking about the move free with the code. Like I said, I would use the set direction drop in versus the coded sheet that said pretty much the same thing, where it says move free at 0. So I'll explain that more in the description, just because I don't have the code right now to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, and I think that will do it on this video. Thanks for watching.